What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to share with you exactly when you should start your seeds for the most common vegetables we grow in our summer gardens. All of the durations in this video assume that you're starting your seeds on a seedling heat mat, which is a mandatory piece of equipment if you're going to grow warm weather crops from seed. If you need a seedling heat mat, I have the ones I use, a link down below in my Amazon storefront in the video description under the list Seed Starting Supplies. By far, the most popular vegetable that we like growing in our summer gardens here in the United States are tomatoes. Tomatoes are subtropical plants, and you can safely plant them out into the garden as soon as the frost and freeze stop. So for the purposes of this video, we will assume that we will transplant our tomato transplants out into our garden at our last chance of frost date. Tomato seeds will germinate in about 7 days on a seedling heat mat, and from there they will take about 49 days or 7 weeks before they reach ideal transplanting size. So for all intents and purposes, for the charts that I'm overlaying right here, these are the dates that you would want to sow your seeds if your goal is to transplant your tomato seedlings out at your last chance of frost. And obviously this will fluctuate a little bit if you're the type of person that likes to transplant them out 1 or 2 weeks after your last chance of frost. You would simply want to sow the seeds 1 or 2 weeks later if that is your goal. The second most common vegetable that we grow here in the United States in our summer gardens are peppers. Now, for sweet peppers or mildly hot peppers like your jalapenos, cherry peppers, and other mild spicy peppers like that, generally speaking, you can plant these out on your last chance of frost, just like tomatoes, but your pepper plants will take a little bit longer to germinate than your tomato plants. They take on average about 10 days to germinate on a seedling heat mat, and they will be ready to transplant in about 6 to 7 weeks. Your pepper plants have a very similar total germination and transplanting time to your tomatoes. So for the average pepper plant, I actually start my seeds at the same time that I start my tomato seeds because they're about the same. However, there is an exception. That exception are your super hot peppers like your habanero peppers and your ghost peppers and your scorpion and Carolina Reaper peppers and other super tropical peppers like I love growing the Trinidad pimento pepper. They can take extreme amounts of time to germinate even on a seedling heat mat, and if you don't use a seedling heat mat for these super hot and super tropical peppers, they may never germinate at all. Generally speaking, most of these super hot and tropical peppers take about 21 days to germinate on a seedling heat mat. Once they finally germinate, they will have about a same transplant time of about 6 to 7 weeks, just like any other variety of pepper. But if you like growing these super hot and novelty and tropical peppers, they will be one of the first seeds you need to start in the late winter or early spring because they have the longest germination and transplant time of almost anything you'll plant in an annual vegetable garden. The final category of plants that I want to discuss today are cucurbits, and they include super popular plants like cucumbers, squash, zucchini, and melons. Unlike your peppers and tomatoes, which are subtropical, your cucurbits are tropical, so you actually don't want to plant them out on your last chance of frost. You want to wait about 3 weeks later before you plant out your transplants because you need the nights to be sufficiently warm in order for them to not be injured. Now, your cucurbits germinate very quickly on a seedling heat mat. All of these cucurbits will germinate only in about 3 days. So for me, I like sowing my seeds about 3 days before my last chance of frost date. Then they'll germinate roughly on that last chance of frost date, and then you'll wait 3 weeks before you transplant them out into your vegetable garden. That way it will be sufficiently warm at night because you'll be well past those 40-degree nights at that stage. Your cucurbits grow very quickly, so your transplants will likely be ready only in about 3 weeks after germination. I follow this seed starting schedule every single year, and it's worked out great for me, and I know it can work out great for you as well. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.